Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is intensive hair care. Yay! So bear with me today. Spring has sprung. My eyes are a little watery. I might be sniffly. I'm always a little sniffly. So yeah, we're gonna get through this. Right, so I'm about to recolor my hair. The problem I have is because I have curly double processed hair, it tends to be a little more on the porous side, which means it's kind of like a sponge. It sucks up and then it spits out. You know, it doesn't retain a lot. So today we're gonna do an intensive protein repair treatment and a deep conditioning mask so that when I go to color my hair, I can hold more of that color. Okay, great, awesome. Step one, I've already done. I went ahead and shampooed my hair with a clarifying shampoo. The one I used, I just had some left over from my Alfaparf Keratin Therapy Lisse design. So this is a deep cleansing, clarifying shampoo that you can just buy by itself in the larger bottle. But I just had some of this left over. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be a good idea today. Just to strip off any conditioner buildup, oil buildup, product buildup, anything that might be just residual in my hair. Yes. And it's just air dried while I set up to talk to you fine people. So I'm gonna pop some gloves on. So I'm gonna pop some gloves on because this protein treatment can irritate my skin a little bit. I do have drier skin, and with as intense as this protein treatment is, it can get a little stingy on my skin. So we're just gonna use that precaution. What else am I gonna need? Okay, I'm gonna need some cotton. I'm gonna keep this off of my, that is a short piece of cotton. I'm gonna keep this off my face. So I'm just gonna use a length of cotton. I'm gonna wrap it around my hairline, around where my mohawk is. I'm just gonna tie it underneath. Great, okay, we're fabulous. We are fabulous. I'm gonna move that. I'll move it up as I put the product in. Okay, so the product I'm using is Apogee 2-step protein treatment. And basically what it does, you know when you're moving out of an apartment and you take everything off the walls and you've got all those little nail marks and you've got to plaster them in? This is the plaster. So what it's gonna do is fill in all the little damaged divots in my hair and get it nice and smoothed out. So, you know, you've got all these divots and it's just gonna boop, fill in so that my color can sit nicely. It's also good to do, you know, around the time you're doing your bleaching, just to, you know, maintain some strength and integrity. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair down a little bit because it's a little dry. It air dried very quickly. And I want to be able to move this product through pretty seamlessly. And it's okay if the cotton gets a little caught up in it. It's fine. And I'm just trying to completely saturate my hair. You know what? I really don't need to be using a tint brush for this. I can just kind of, we're gonna comb it through. I'm just gonna grab the product and get it in my hair. If I were at the shampoo bowl, I would just pour this on and comb it through. And it doesn't smell great. It's high protein, so it does have a bit of a aroma. It used to have a really intense, like, eggy smell, and they reformulated. Okay, so we're gonna comb this through. So now it's a little more like florally. Completely saturate I am caught up in my cotton. You know what? We're just gonna reapply my cotton. Comb it through, saturate the hair. Oh, look at this cotton stuck inside my head. Glorious. I totally have my life together. And the trick with this is to pile the hair up. You don't really want to use clips because we're gonna cook this until it's rock hard. So if you put a clip in it and then you try to move that clip, guess what? The hair is gonna go with it. Yeah, this treatment is no joke. Like, once it's in and it starts that congealing, hardening process, you don't want to move the hair. The hair will just snap off. We don't want that. Okay, take two, fresh piece of cotton. I'm just gonna take that right around my hawk. I think my sides have grown out enough that they're kind of like, it's like Velcro. My hair gets to be like Velcro when I do this. No, the cotton doesn't have to be perfect. So it's just to keep it from dripping down on me. Gloves are coming off. So now we're gonna grab the hood dryer. We're gonna cook this. I'm gonna set it to 75 degrees for 30 minutes. After that, my hair should be rock hard. And then we rinse, shampoo, and apply a deep conditioning treatment. So let us click this bad boy on, turn to 30 minutes, and sit back, relax. I've got nowhere to be and nothing to do for the next 30 minutes. Is that 30? 30 minutes. Great. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, 30 minutes later, sitting under the dryer, I'm toasty. And my hair is, can you hear it? No, can you just hear that car alarm? No. See, it is crunchy. So I don't want to shift it. I don't want to move it. What we're going to do is we're going to just rinse and let it all, do its thing. You don't want to manipulate the hair much while you have this in. So I'm gonna go shampoo. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna apply our 2-part deep conditioning treatment, okay? And we're back. We are shampooed. So rinsed it out, let all of that just, without moving it, just let it go, let the cotton go. And when my hair was malleable again, went ahead and shampooed it with the, and pardon the bottle, I'm on the last couple drops of this travel size bottle. So it just took a beating trying to get some product out. So I'm sorry, but it's the Alfaparf Milano Illuminating Low Shampoo. So this is from the Diamond line of the Lino Alfaparf line. So light shampoo with that, cooler water, like lukewarm, not too cold because I want to like kind of use that heat to move some of the product out. So we are towel dried. Yes. Okay, we are towel dried. We are ready to put in our deep conditioning treatment. So we're gonna go with my absolute favorite, and I'm on the, I've gotta buy a new one. This is the last of this that I have, so pardon the appearance of the container, but this is the Alfaparf Milano Semi-Delino Reconstructor Mask. And it's made with bamboo extract, shea butter, lanolin oil. It's a solid product. You can use it for, it's meant to be used to increase elasticity. Oh God, I just like opened the top and I'm like, it smells so good. Increase elasticity, provide more strength to the hair. It basically infuses it with, bamboo life. So I'm gonna grab a little mixing container. And we are going to divvy out some of that creamy goodness. Great. Make sure I'm getting enough to saturate. And then we're gonna add the Alfaparf Milano Semi-Lino SOS Emergency Oil. So what this basically is a high dose bamboo shot. So this is like pure keratins and bamboo and like all that goodness. Since I only have a third of my hair on my head, we're only gonna use maybe like a quarter of the bottle. I don't need much because I have 5 hairs on my head. So we're just gonna mix that in. Great. Wait. Mix that up. This is actually a little like shaker egg, but I just needed like a tiny bowl, so I'm like, I'm just gonna go one side. Okay, now we're gonna take this, we're gonna slather the hair, we're gonna comb it through. Nice, handful, great. And you wanna towel dry first because water molecules are pretty large, as are conditioner molecules. So you gotta make some space in the hair. But you still want it kind of damp so that you can move the product through easily. And I'm just totally saturating my hair with this so that I can get all those nutrients, all those, all the bamboo goodness. Why bamboo? Well, okay, let's talk about bamboo. So bamboo is the strongest, most flexible tree in the world. In the right conditions, it can grow up to 4 inches a day and overtake small villages. That is what I want in my hair. I want to conquer small villages with my mohawk. Like if you think of even the structure of bamboo, it's the same as a hair strand. It's got the exterior, it's got the pulpy little inside. It's just like, the cuticle and cortex of the hair shaft. So treat it the same, use nature, So I've got this smothered and covered. If I had longer hair, I would just go ahead and clip it up, but it's nice and short, so we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna sit back under the hood dryer for another 30 minutes. Well, no, I'm gonna sit for 20 minutes with this, and then we're gonna do a nice cool rinse afterwards. No more shampooing, we're done with the shampooing. So see you in 20. Well, I guess I'm done. It didn't ding. Okay, shut that bad boy off. Oh, but I wanted to mention, so this 2-part conditioning treatment, you can actually also apply it like a keratin treatment. Apply to damp hair, blow dry it in, flat iron it out, rinse it all out again. Yeah, no, I just cook it in. So it's pretty much dried in my hair. I'm gonna go rinse it out with cool water, no shampoo, we're done with shampoo. And then we're gonna style this bad boy up. So, to the sink. All right, we are rinsed, nice and cool water. Colder water is great for just retaining moisture, reducing frizz, increasing shine. Just kind of smoothing out that cuticle. So towel dried, scrunch, scrunch. Yes. Okay, so now we need our leave-in product. And we're gonna go, surprise, surprise, Alfaparf Milano, Semi-Lino. We're going with the anti-breakage daily fluid. So again, this is a bamboo infused product. And I haven't gotten to use this in a while. They finally had it back at the store that I go to. Yes. And I'm just gonna saturate. Oh my God, it smells so good. Okay, I'm overdoing it. Overdoing it. Okay, finger comb that nonsense through. Yes, okay. Great. Grab my blow dryer with my diffuser. I'm gonna go on medium heat and medium speed. I'm just gonna diffuse this, reactivate my curls. All right, curl ball. Yes. Okay, I need a little bit of oil. What I have left is a little bit of oil. This is the almost empty bottle. Alfaparf Milano, Lino, Cristalli Liquidi. I know, she's almost done. I'm so sad. She's a little pricey, so I haven't run to get more of her yet. There we go. Just got a few little drops of oil. Get that in my fingertips. I'm just gonna work that in. Okay. I am not gonna use any other product today. I'm feeling good about my curls. I'm feeling good about my integrity. I'm probably gonna do this full system one more time before I recolor my hair, or even before I bleach my hair, just to make sure that I don't have to cut off a bunch again. That happened. So the whole process starts to finish with shampooing, the Apergy protein treatment, application of the conditioner, setting of the conditioner, all the processing times, the shampooings, styling. Tops took me an hour and a half. If we were doing this more of a keratin method, it would probably be more of a 2-hour situation with the amount of hair I have. So, I mean, the whole process starts to finish, if you have a lot more hair, could be 2.5 hours, to get everything, especially getting the Apergy to fully saturate and dry evenly in the hair. Could take a little more time. So if you're gonna do a process like this, set aside some you time. And if you do wanna try this process, I'm a firm believer in these products. They'll all be listed below in the description box, so check them out. And yeah, thank you for joining me while I give my hair a kiss. Remember to follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. And until next time, guys, give your hair a kiss.